On the one hand, FASB received feedback from stakeholders that the proposed amendments would reduce costs and would increase comparability for inventory that was measured using FIFO or the average cost method. But on the other hand, there could potentially be significant transition costs that would not be justified by the benefits for inventory that was measured using LIFO or the retail inventory method due to the complexity inherent in those methods. As a result, FASB decided to limit the scope of the simplification to exclude inventory that is measured using LIFO or the retail inventory method.
The guidance was based on simplification and efficiencies for preparers. FASB received a ton of feedback that there would be significant transition costs that wouldn't be justified by the benefit. Again, we always are looking at a cost-benefit relationship. So for inventory that's measured using LIFO or the retail inventory method, due to the complexity inherent in those methods. So they just decided to limit the scope for simplification purposes.
The good news is that the amendments in the update more closely align the measurement of inventory in GAAP with the measurement of inventory under the International Financial Reporting Standards, especially since IFRS does not allow for the use of the LIFO method.
Exactly. And I will say that the international standards don't allow for the use of LIFO at all.
Well, the new guidance is effective for business entities in fiscal years beginning after December 15, 2016. So we'll start to see it in the first quarter of 2017 for many calendar year-end companies. But to what extent will businesses consider early adoption of the new measure?
Yes, and the good news is that early adoption is permitted at the beginning of an interim or an annual reporting period. There is some bad news, though. Prospective application is required.